Hey everyone, Yankel here. Today we're gonna learn how to braise some beef. So I've got 2 packages of our grass-fed stewing beef. These take a couple of hours. I want a couple of meals out of it. Just gonna pat the beef dry. I want a nice hard sear. A lot of the flavor will come out of searing the beef before we add the liquid. Now I'm gonna season. We're gonna set the beef aside. Make sure it comes to room temperature. And we're gonna cut up our aromatics for the braising liquid. So I've got carrots, celery, and onions, nice big chunks. One more point about Mirepoix, or your aromatics, is the ratio will always be 2 parts onion, 1 part carrot, 1 part celery. So we're gonna set the oven to 300. So we add a little bit of oil, and we're going into the pan. We're gonna sear the beef on all sides, 2 to 3 minutes per side. So I'm gonna pull my beef out, put it back on the rack, add my vegetables right into all that delicious fat. We're gonna sear the vegetables for just a couple of minutes. Add a little bit of tomato paste. It's gonna add some body. It'll also add some texture and some flavor to the sauce. Once that's mixed together, we're gonna put our beef back. And then we're gonna add the rest of our braising liquid. I'm gonna lower the temperature just a little bit, and I'm gonna bring the pot to a simmer. And once it's simmering, we'll cover it and we'll put it in the oven. Into the oven she goes. For about 1.5 hours, or until the beef is tender. So I've pulled my braised beef out of the oven. We're gonna open it up and see what we've got. So we're looking for really tender beef that falls apart with a fork. We'll pull one apart, just pull a little piece off. It's really good. It's got a lot of texture, a lot of flavor. We have beautiful braised beef. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to the ButcherBox channel. We want to make it better and we need your help. So if you liked what you saw or you didn't, click the survey below and tell us what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in.